Most gurus tell you to add more automations, more plugins, more power-ups to scale. They're wrong. In reality, your all-in-one project management tool is actually a productivity parasite. It's not helping you work. It's forcing you to work for the tool asterisk. I've audited dozens of agency operations, from 5-person boutiques to 50-person tech shops. I see the same pattern every time. Tool fatigue. Your team is spending more time updating statuses and managing boards than actually delivering client work. It's operational overhead masquerading as systemization. Today, we're killing the complexity. I'm going to show you why your current stack is killing your velocity and the exact framework to simplify your tools without losing your data. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which features to delete and how to build a lean system that actually scales. Let's dive in. You bought the all-in-one promise, one tool to rule them all. CRM, tasks, docs, automation. Everything in one place. Sounds like a dream, right? Wrong. In reality, your PM tool has become a second full-time job. Think about your last Monday. Did you actually move the needle on your business? Or did you spend 2 hours cleaning up the board, updating statuses, tagging people, fixing a broken automation that sent 50 duplicate notifications to your lead dev? This is the complexity trap. You keep adding custom fields because you think better data equals better management. But now, your team is terrified to touch the system. They don't know where the source of truth is anymore because there are 4 different dashboards showing the same project. You're not managing a project. You're managing a piece of software. And while you're tweaking the perfect workflow, your actual deliverables are slipping. Your overhead isn't coming from your team's lack of skill. It's coming from the tool you bought to save you time. This is tool fatigue, and it is quietly killing your agency's margins. So how do we fix this? Stop looking for the perfect tool. It doesn't exist. The solution isn't adding another plugin. It's subtracting the noise. Here is the hard truth. Your project management tool should be invisible. If you spend more time managing the tool than managing your team, you don't have a system. You have a second job. This is the feature paradox. Every new feature you enable is a new point of friction. Think about it. You spend 2 hours building a complex automated dashboard just to save 5 minutes of searching for a status update. That is a net loss. You're not scaling your business. You're scaling your overhead. To break the tool fatigue trap, you need to move from an all-in-one mindset to a best-of-breed framework. Most agency owners fall for the all-in-one lie. They want their docs, their tasks, their CRM, and their chat in one place. But when a tool tries to do everything, it does nothing perfectly. You end up with a Frankenstein system that's too complex for new hires to learn and too rigid to pivot. Instead, apply the rule of 3. First, one source of truth for knowledge. This is where your SOPs and brand guidelines live. Static information. No deadlines here. Second, one engine for execution. This is for tasks, deadlines, and accountability. If it doesn't have a due date, it doesn't belong here. Third, one channel for communication. Fast, ephemeral conversations. When you overlap these, you create data fragmentation. You start wondering, was that feedback in the Notion doc, the ClickUp task, or the Slack thread? That mental load is what's killing your productivity. Now here is your immediate action plan. Step 1. Perform a feature audit. Look at every custom field and automation in your current tool. If your team hasn't used it in the last 14 days, delete it. Step 2. Simplify the onboarding. If it takes a new contractor more than 30 minutes to understand your board, your system is too complex. Simplify until it's boring. Because in a scaling agency, boring is predictable. And predictable is profitable. Look, I'm not saying ditch every tool. I'm saying pick the one that actually fits your brain. For some, that's the raw flexibility of Notion. For others, it's the structured power of Monday.com or the all-in-one nature of ClickUp. The secret isn't the feature list. It's how you constrain it. When I stripped my agency's workflow down to the essentials, our delivery speed jumped by 30%. No more hunting for tasks. No more "where is that doc?" Just pure execution. If you're tired of the operational chaos and want to start fresh with a tool that actually works, check the links in the description. I've listed my top picks based on your agency's size and complexity. Grab the one that fits your current stage, not the stage you're dreaming of. Stop over-engineering. Start shipping.